The sun conure, also known as the sun parakeet, scientific name Aratinga solstitialis, is a medium-sized parrot native to South America. These birds are known for their vivid plumage, vibrant personalities, and social nature. Often considered one of the most striking parrot species, due to their brilliant yellow, orange, and red feathers, sun conures are popular among bird enthusiasts and pet owners. The sun conure is renowned for its bright, eye-catching coloration. A mature sun conure typically has a predominantly yellow body with orange and red patches around the face and belly. The wings are a mix of green and blue, and the tail feathers are long and also display a gradient of blue and green colors. These birds are medium-sized parrots, measuring about 12 inches 30 centimeters in length from beak to tail. Their wingspan ranges from 5 to 6 inches, 12 to 15 centimeters. Adult sun conures typically weigh between 3.5 to 4.5 ounces, 100 to 130 grams, with males and females being visually indistinguishable. In order to determine the sex of a sun conure, genetic testing or surgical methods are usually required. This beak is designed to crack open seeds and nuts, and it can exert a powerful bite if necessary. Their zygodactyl feet, which means 2 toes point forward and 2 point backward, allow them to grip branches, toys, and food securely. Their eyes are dark brown with white eye rings that provide an expressive look. Despite their small size, sun conures are known for their loud calls, which can be surprising to those unfamiliar with parrots. They have a range of vocalizations, from screeches and squawks to more melodious sounds, depending on their mood and environment. Sun conures are known for their playful and affectionate nature. They are highly social birds that thrive on interaction with their flock, whether that flock is composed of other birds or humans. Their lively and energetic demeanor makes them a source of constant entertainment, as they enjoy climbing, playing with toys, and exploring their surroundings. These birds are incredibly intelligent and curious. They can learn tricks, mimic sounds, and even develop a vocabulary of a few words. However, they are not known for being exceptional talkers compared to other parrot species. Instead, they communicate their feelings and needs through body language and a variety of vocalizations. Sun conures form strong bonds with their owners. They are known for being very affectionate, often seeking out physical contact, such as cuddling, sitting on their owner's shoulders, or nestling in their clothing. They are known to be monogamous, forming lifelong pair bonds. Mated pairs will spend much of their time together, grooming each other, sharing food, and nesting. In captivity, sun conures often display these same social behaviors. They may become particularly attached to one person in the household, treating them as their mate. This bond can be very strong, and the bird may show signs of distress or jealousy if its favorite person pays attention to others or if they are left alone for extended periods. In the wild, sun conures are primarily frugivorous, meaning they eat mostly fruits, but they also consume seeds, nuts, berries, and flowers. They have been observed eating insects and larvae occasionally, which provides them with additional protein. Their diet is varied, which ensures they receive a wide range of nutrients necessary for their health. In captivity, a balanced diet for a sun conure should mimic their natural diet as closely as possible. A high-quality pellet food should form the base of their diet, providing essential vitamins and minerals. Fresh fruits and vegetables should be offered daily, including apples, bananas, berries, grapes, carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. Seeds and nuts can be offered in moderation, as they are high in fat. Sun conures are native to the northeastern regions of South America, specifically the areas around Guyana, Brazil, and Venezuela. They typically inhabit savannas, open woodlands, palm groves, and forest edges. These areas provide ample food sources, nesting sites, and protection from predators. They are most commonly found at elevations below 1,200 meters, about 4,000 feet.